Picture the Big Bang. You are likely imagining a tiny, dense bomb of matter detonating, sending light and heat outward into a massive, pitch-black void. Modern physics suggests this common-sense picture is inaccurate. Our brains evolved to navigate a three-dimensional world of containers and linear time. This hardwiring makes us assume there was an empty space waiting to be filled. The Big Bang was an explosive expansion of the fabric of space itself, happening everywhere simultaneously. Space and time are woven together into a single structure that began at that exact moment. Asking what existed before the Big Bang is like pointing to the North Pole and asking what lies further north. The concept of direction simply runs out. To visualize this, physicists often describe a balloon. Imagine drawing dots on a deflated balloon and blowing it up. The surface stretches, and every dot moves away from every other dot without any single central point of origin. However, this analogy can be misleading. A balloon requires the surrounding air in a room to expand into, but the universe does not require an outside to grow. Space is an active, stretchable material rather than a dark, passive theater where events take place. If there is no fabric, there is no where. True nothingness refers to the complete absence of distance, dimensions, and physical laws, a state our brains lack the structural apparatus to visualize. Our observations of the universe's age and size create a contradiction. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, yet the area we can see is 93 billion light-years wide. This maps the universe's expansion. Notice the extreme bell curve at the bottom. Instantly, cosmic inflation stretched space exponentially. Einstein's speed limit only applies to objects moving through space. Space itself has no speed limit, expanding vastly faster than light. Because light takes time to travel, we are trapped inside a spherical bubble of vision. That 93 billion light-year diameter is the absolute limit of how far light has reached us. Whatever lies beyond that bubble is invisible, potentially infinite, and born from the same initial expansion. When cosmologists run the math of this expansion in reverse, they eventually hit a wall where current physics completely breaks down, the singularity. General relativity predicts a point of infinite density. Physicists treat this as a sign our theories have reached their limits, not a literal physical reality. Without a proven theory of quantum gravity, the absolute fraction of a second of our origin remains an unresolved frontier. Since we cannot mathematically pierce the beginning, physicists look to the current momentum of the universe to see if it will eventually reverse, a clue that would reveal if the Big Bang was a unique event or just one phase in a larger cycle. One possibility is the cyclical universe model, also known as the Big Bounce. In this model, gravity overcomes expansion. Every galaxy, star, and atom compresses back into an unimaginable furnace, triggering a brand new Big Bang. This is a rigorous framework. Nobel laureate Roger Penrose and others searched the cosmic microwave background for faint circular patterns that might be echoes from a previous universe. This model feels intuitive because it mimics natural cycles like the seasons or the rhythm of a breath. It suggests existence is the default state of the universe. In a bouncing universe, the question of what came first dissolves. Existence is an eternal, unbreakable heartbeat. However, astrophysics faced a challenge in the late 1990s when observations revealed the expansion of the universe is not slowing down, it is accelerating. A mysterious force called dark energy is pushing the fabric of space apart faster and faster. This data supports a different fate, the Big Freeze. Instead of collapsing, the universe expands into total isolation forever. Trillions of years from now, stars will exhaust their fuel and black holes will evaporate. The cosmos will reach thermodynamic equilibrium, a near absolute zero state, where change ceases and time itself becomes meaningless. While the bounce offers rebirth, the freeze suggests every star that burned and every thought ever thought was a temporary fluctuation on an irreversible slide toward nothingness. Whether reality is a brief accident fading into silence or an infinite fiery loop,
the fact that human cognition can uncover these endpoints, despite its evolutionary limits, remains one of our most significant